Hello guys, Archie here. The new Doors roleplay update has just released. I have to eat right after I record this, so I'm going to try to make this video as quick as possible. So it might be short, but it's better than no video. Alright. Bug fixes, obtainable badges, stumble, more kill ability to entities. Let's test it out. Well, one of the updates were like, you can add kill ability to boxing gloves. And so let's see. Oh, we're just getting boxed. Ooh, yeah. I'll kill him. Oh, I think I did. Rip. We died. Wait, does Dupe have kill ability? Wait, he actually does. Dude. This is like the best Doors roleplay update ever. I actually got taken off. Wait, the snare have kill ability? Yo, bro does have kill ability. Just steps on it. Yeah. El Goblino. Yeah, I saw one of the teasers, like on the Discord server. Like the mouth effects one. Wait. O. E. Hi. Wait, does Void have kill ability? Wait, he does. He does. I couldn't move for that second. Look, see? And also on the Xbox, you can also maybe hear it. I don't know. Oh, watch. See? Kill ability. For him. Jeff! We got Jeff. Yay, Jeffy. Wait. I want to flip a coin. Bro's excited. Bro's angry. Bro angry. Coin flip. I like that one. I like this. I like this game a lot. And we got, yeah, the loading screen. Yep, I knew that. Add a setting in roleplay category. Spawn force field. Well, that's sick. I didn't even see that at first. I just clicked it. We didn't even see it. Oh, okay. Wait, does any other one? Wait, does the banana have kill ability? Wait, it better. It does. It does have kill ability. I'm a little bit upset now. My sister did to my channel name, but it'll be back to normal in 8 days. So no worries. New morphs. Yeah, I already saw Jeff, but what with the minecart? What is the minecart? The minecart. Where is it? It's definitely in the mine section. Minecart. Bro. Minecart. Yay, I love my cart. Wait. Cutscene? You mean no? Wait, I think he has to get in it. Maybe? Hold on. Wait, is he doing it up there? Where is he? Wait, what if I see him falling down? Yo! That's like the coolest thing ever. I like that. That's really, really cool. Now let's go back to the lobby. And then I'll make him be the minecart. And then I'll be the person. So we can see what that looks like. Bro, why does he keep making me get out of the freaking Roblox, bro? Like, what is the point of that? Clear. Bro, what's happening? I'm sorry, guys. I do not know what's happening right now. What's happening right now? If it does it again, I'm gonna suspect that something's happening. Alright, I think we're good. I hope we are. Alright. Now I'm gonna be human. And make this guy be a minecart. Wait a second. And where's the minecart? Minecart, I found it. Bro, I hate this minecart, bro. It's so glitchy and buggy. But let me get in the... Jesus Christ. Sorry. Lobby. There we go. Let me get in there. Alright, I'm gonna click the cutscene button. Let's see what happens. That's exactly what I thought. Yep. Yeah, I like that. Let's see it one more. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the other stuff. We already saw more killability to entities. Yum. What is happening, bruh? Hold on, guys. Let me try something. There's no apps that even open. My phone is like acting up today. Let's see the holy hand grenades killability yet. I never saw that one. Haven't seen that one yet. Alright, time to get out of the minecart, buddy. Time to get out of the minecart. But what? Seek. I'm gonna do this, dude. I gotta make this guy go to the lobby real quick. I'm gonna get the holy hand grenade real quick. Where's the holy hand grenade? Right here. So you're telling me this thing is killability? And this thing is killability? You telling me? Okay, let's go see. Alright, I'm making him go to the lobby now. Okay. Over here. Where the lobby starts at. Oh, I gotta eat, bruh. Okay, let's see. Oh, it hit me too. I didn't see the Sally rework. Like the Sally overhaul. Original position. Now it doesn't make you spawn. Wait, you can actually like despawn now. And you can also spawn in the nearby window. Oh man. 0 nearby windows. Hold on. Let me go to the hotel real quick. Let's see this. Oh yeah, good job. I like this game a lot. Jump scare? Bro, what was that, bro? I gotta go eat. I gotta eat. Bob. Wait, does Seek Sledge have killability? I wonder if it does. Wait, what if it does? That would actually be the sickest thing ever. I've always wanted that thing to have killability. Please have killability, bro. I've always wanted to have this thing to have killability. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be sad, bro. Please. Please, God. Please, God. Please. It does. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Bob. I don't want to do Bob. Bob probably has nothing changed, but we can see. Bob. Bobby Bob. Bruh. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. I think that's all there is in Bob. Ramble. Ramble. What could be new with this guy? Get a load of this guy. Alright. Oh wait. You can actually duck now, bruh. Thank goodness. Okay. Now the walking animation actually changes mid-walk. Okay. Spawn snare traps? This game could not get any better than this. Like, tell me a way that this game could get better than this. I wish it could just stay on the ground like that. Until you, like, press a button that says fix or something. Yeah, but overall, this game is just so good. I love it so much. Looks like the kill ability is a little glitchy on this morph right now. That's alright. As expected. Updates new. Blitz. Blitz. What's new at Blitz? Oh, bro, that dude got kill ability. Okay. Okay, bro. W. I love that. Wait, haste? Does haste have kill ability? I don't think he does. Nah, he don't. Lookman? They reworked him though. They reworked him. Bro, this dude cannot get crucifixed. Well, in the real game he can, but oh well. Let's see. What else? Blitz stays. Okay, I think we got everything. Wait. Added hiding the beds. What? Did they really? That would actually be so sick. I don't think there's a bed in there. There might be a bed in this next room. Yeah, I knew it. Bed right here. Wait. Finally hide under beds, bruh. Let's go. Yeah. I like this a lot. Going into a chase will give you extra speed. Let's just test out chase number 1. Because if it works on this one, then it'll work on the other ones too. Because I don't got much time. I'm gonna have to release this video on like Sunday. Yeah, it actually does. Whoa. Why is this like the best game ever? Reworked and fixed Ragdoll. Alright guys, this is gonna be the last thing I'm reviewing, okay? Yeah, Ragdoll used to be so annoying. You couldn't like get back up. I used to hate it. They fixed it. I like that. I like this game. Oh wait, we gotta check the Lotus. Then after that, I'm gonna have to end the video. We're gonna check the Lotus and the Shake Light. We already checked the boxing gloves. Lotus and Shake Light. Lotus and Shake Light. Lotus and Shake Light. Lotus and Shake Light. Lotus. Hello, where's the Shake Light? Am I just blind? Am I just stupid? Where's the Shake Light at? Oh wait, I think I know where it could be at. Could it be in the rooms? Exactly, it's right here. The Shake Light. Alright, let's see the Lotus real quick. Oh, it actually grows. Oh, well, yeah guys. That was it for today's video. This is a huge update. It's like the best update in the whole game. Yeah guys, I will see you guys later. Yeah. See ya. Bye-bye.